What is going on, Golden family? Today's the day. We're wrapping the Model 3 Performance. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I don't even know what it's gonna look like yet. I have the idea, but let's see how it goes during the process. And take a look. My new license plate, not gold. I'll show you a little quick peek and then we'll leave. There it is, Golden family. The Model 3 Performance is finally wrapped. I am so happy with the results. I mean, look how beautiful this looks in the background. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the original one or if you like this new one better. I can't wait to read the comments and see what you guys are saying.